Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 7th of July. And first of all, national news. Rupees 2750 per month for unmarried widowed people in Haryana. Heavy rain in Kerala displaced hundreds. Two rivers crossed danger mark. Assam Chief Minister urged banned outfit Alpha 1 to join peace talks. Always taken action, Justin Trudeau on the Indian move over Khalistan. And now some international news. School worth close to $1 billion turns CEO into multimillionaire. Nepal PM's India remarks stirs up storm. Opposition demanded his resignation. China launched its first homegrown open source computer operating system. Ukraine expanded tank fleet. Russia halved since invasion began, a report said. Climate change and El Nino caused hottest June recorded. Mark Zuckerberg's banter with users after Threads launch created waves. All threads belong to us. Jack Dorsey jabs Mark Zuckerberg over privacy. And now some sports news. Dalip Trophy, Cheteshwar Pujara, Surya Kumar Yadav 50s put West Zone in control against Central Zone. Mayank Agarwal scored half century. South Zone versus North Zone match evenly poised. Not just India in India, Babar Azam's took on Pakistan's ICC World Cup 2023 campaign. Zaka Ashraf named chairman of PCB Management Committee for 4 months. Shivam Mavi hoped to build India career after 6-wicket haul in Dalip Trophy semis. Tamim Iqbal, Bangladesh ODI captain, announced shock retirement from international cricket. Milan Skriniar became Paris Saint-Germain's first signing of the summer on Thursday. Now news related to business. Punjab National Bank launched its virtual branch in the metaverse. Google accused TCI of ordering changes to its business model to protect Amazon. That's all in news. Thank you.